this video, we're going to set up the web development environment for PHP, especially Laravel. As you know that to develop the web application using PHP, especially Laravel in this video, we're gonna need things like Apache Web Server, PHP, especially we're going to use PHP 8 on Manjaro, MySQL, and Phpmyadmin. So this video, I'm going to show you all of this in just one single command by using the script that I wrote it. So as you follow along, I believe you already cloned the script, but if you're not, so let's do this. First, you open up your web browser. I am going to using Firefox. Now at the address bar, you're going to type in github.com/faroukphuket/desktop-i3 and then you hit enter. Note that if you watch this video, is going to be at the description down below. So next thing that you're going to do is you click on code, a green button right here, and then you copy this. Now you open up your terminal and you type in git clone and then you pass the URL in here and then you hit enter. That will be done. But for anyone else, if you already download that, when you type in ls, you're going to have this folder here called desktop i3. Now let's cd into that. I type in cd desktop-i3 and then I hit enter. Then I type in ls again. And now I'm going to type in cd install and hit enter. Type in ls. Now you're going to see that we have Manjaro right here as the folder. So let's cd in that by typing in cd Manjaro and then hit enter and then type in ls again. And then you're going to see two folders in here, kde to i3. We already done that. We're going to pay attention to set up LAMP server right here. So now type in cd setup and hit tab and then you hit enter. You're going to be inside this folder now. And when you type in ls again, you're going to see all of this stuff here. Next, what you're going to do, you type in // and then setup.sh like this. Then you hit enter. It's going to do thing for you. Now just type in the password and hit enter. So from the very start up until now, it already took me 13 minutes. That will be the time that you have to wait when you run this command. Now just put in the password and then hit enter. This step will be set up the database. So at the very first time, you don't have any password in here. Just hit enter. And the next command, switch to Unix socket authentication. You press Y and then hit enter. The next command, change the root password. You press Y and hit enter. And you type in your password. Like for example, my password is 1234 and then I hit enter. And then type the password again, 1234 and then hit enter. Remove anonymous user. You type in Y and then hit enter. This allows root login remotely. I'm not going to explain all of this because it's going to take too much time. So that sort of boring thing. Let's press Y and then you hit enter. Remove test database and access to it. You press Y and hit enter. Reload privilege table now. You press Y and then you hit enter. Now with this command here is going to install Phpmyadmin. That's going to be Phpmyadmin version 5. Okay, so if this happened to you, it means your script is run very well. Now remember that our login user will be root. So you type in root in here. And then the password for Phpmyadmin is 1234. If you have set a different name and the password than what I did, you just type in your username right here and then the password that you have typed. But I am highly recommend you to do not change anything because that will be difficult for you. So I press go and then it's going to take me to Phpmyadmin right here. So let's see right here what I have. The Phpmyadmin configuration storage is not completely configured. Some extended features have been deactivated. Find out why. So you're going to click find out why here. and then you click on the create button right here, and that's going to bring you back to the normal state. Now when I click on the home button right here and you look down, there will be no more error or no more warnings that show you at all. If I click on another tab, this one will show the PHP version that we have, PHP version 8.3. And if you're going to develop Laravel application, you're going to use this, but make sure that if you're going to run composer command, you have to delete everything inside of this folder, but do not rename that, otherwise it's not going to be working. That will be just one command to install thing. So if you're not using Vim, that will be nothing else for us to do. So just close it down, close tab, and then back to my script here. Alright, the next thing to do is I need my configs back, otherwise I cannot use Vim. So let's see if I have Vim installed now. Yes, I have Vim installed already, but I don't have my configs. So let's download the configs first. Quit out Vim and then open up Firefox again and still type in github.com/farooqphuket/var_vimrc. You know that the link will be at the description down below, so both of them. Now when you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page. All you have to do, you click on the code button right here and then you click download, or you can download it as zip file. Now open up terminal and then you type in git clone and pass the URL. Hit enter. It's going to clone the thing for you. It will be super fast because the file is just 126 kilobyte or 1 megabyte. So now let's type in ls. You're going to have one of the folder here called var_vimrc. Now type in cd var_vimrc. Type in ls, and the next command I'm going to run is this file. So what I'm going to do now, I type in // and run copy.sh and then hit enter. Now you need to put the password in here, so type in the password and hit enter. Alright, thing is already installed. The message here shows that there are a newer version of npm. So what you're going to do is we have to install it globally. Now you have to type in sudo npm install -g and then npm the @ symbol 7.7.6 and then hit enter. Now you type in npm -v and hit enter. You're going to see that your npm is 7.7.6 version. Alright, let's quit the terminal window first by press mod key shift q and then open up the terminal again. Then type in vim dot. You're going to see this error message. It's okay, just hit enter. Now you press colon and type in plug, P with the capital, U with the capital. So the word will be plug update, and then you hit enter. Now you may need to press R just to retry, and it's done. Right now you press colon Q, hit enter, and again you press colon Q, hit enter. Now let's type in vim dot again. You're going to see that the color scheme is already changed here, and this color scheme is called groove box. We're not done yet. I want you to press space CR. You're going to get COC restart. Now you hit enter and hit enter again. And type in colon COC install COC-explorer. Now hit enter. Now the COC Explorer is already installed. Now you press colon Q, hit enter. It's going to close that, and press colon Q again to quit out from Vim. If you use my configs, when you type in CL and then hit enter, it's going to clear the screen for you. Alright, now let's open up Vim. Now let's see what the file in here. Let's open one of the file in. Remember that we have run this file the earlier. Open up, and this one is the bash, the bash script, just to install thing for you. Alright, so now let's see what we have in that folder, the thing that showed in the browser before. So that will be cd srv / http and then lab8. Now hit enter and you type in vim dot, hit enter. You're going to see one of the folder called public in here. Hit enter and then press J and then hit enter. It's going to open up the file for you. But let's have a look at the bottom down here. Right after index.php, you see that little yellow sign. This one, if you see this one, it means you can't edit this file. You cannot save that because this folder is read only, so it's not going to work. Now what you're going to do is you type in :Q exclamation sign and then hit enter to quit that. Just not editing anything. The next thing what you're going to do is you type in sudo chmod -r and 777 to the folder srv http lab8.lab. And you hit enter and you type in your password and hit enter again. Now if you type in vim dot and then you hit enter again, and you're going to open up this file, index file. Right now you can see that the yellow sign right here is already gone, and now you can edit this file. Press I and then I type in this is my edit today. Now let's run this file. Open up another tab. Let's see, I don't know. Oh, it's right here. So you open up another tab and then you type in lab8.lab, hit enter, and yes, take me there. Now you can see that this is my edit today. Remember, we just edit that. And what about if you cannot use Vim? You don't know what is Vim at all. So, well, no problem. Let's install another program. And the program that I am highly recommend you is VS Code. If you don't have it installed right here, that's okay. Click on this. And then at the search bar here, you type in code. Try to find, where is it? VS Code. Oh, it's actually Code OSS. Now click install, click apply, and then choose, and you put your password in, click OK. Now it's going to download and install Code OSS for you. It's actually VS Code or Visual Studio Code. This is one of my favorite programs for editing the code, and I do highly recommend. Okay, I don't know if it's working. So now let's see. OSS, yeah, we have it. So the VS Code is going to look like this. Let's do exactly what we do with Vim. Now click on another location, and in the path of srv, where is it? Srv http lab8 public index. Now click OK. Let's put it, and now you can see that we can open this up right here. So actually, when you download or when you use VS Code, you still need to install some plugin that you may have to use on your development environment too. So that one is up to you. But to myself, I am a fan of Vim. So all the graphical interface program that sometimes is too slow for me, so I am not really use it so much. Alright, this video is going to take so much of time, so I have to cut it. But the real length of this video is 38 minutes and 15 seconds. Alright, I hope this video is useful for anyone, maybe for someone, or maybe not useful at all. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on next video. Goodbye.